Hi everybody, welcome to Paper Wishes Weekly Webisode. I'm Lene Gehrig, and today I'm excited to bring you the shaker card kits from Griffin. They are just so fun to play with. Everything's included to make cards just like this. I can't wait to show you. Come play with us. Look at this fun little shaker card that Debbie made. It's so cute, and if you have always wanted to make shaker cards but didn't have all the equipment to make them, the die cutting machine and the sequins and the foam tape and the acetate, this kit is for you because everything is included and it's mess free. So let's take a look at another card that she made. These cards happen to be from the Well Wishes Shaker Card Kit from Griffin. I just love this teacup and the little tag, and then she did add from her own stash, Debbie added this baker's twine, and then of course this adorable little baby card. Each one of them has these really sweet greetings on the inside. Get back to the birthday one. So this kit has birthday cards, friendship cards, get well, and then the baby cards. And each kit looks like this. Pretty awesome. Makes 30 cards in each kit. So you could just take this with you on vacation and just sit and make cards, and it would just have all kinds of fun. So let me go through everything that's in here. You get 30 envelopes. You're going to get 30 card bases, and on the inside of each one of the card bases is your greeting that's already there. Okay. I'll just move that over. You're getting 30 card toppers that are already die cut, and these little guys are self-adhesive on the back. You don't need any tape for that. Oh, you're getting 30 sequin envelopes, and all the sequins are already sealed in these little envelopes, so you don't need to have any acetate to make your windows, and the sequins aren't going to go everywhere. They're already contained, which I think that's genius. All right, and you're going to get, oh, here's all the little baby t-shirts and things like that for the baby cards. There we go. And all different colors. Love. What else? It's like a treasure chest. Oh, here's the little teacups for the Get Well. Here's the cupcakes. Oh, and then you've got all these little embellishments. I'm going to take these out. So cute. That go with your themed cards. So you've got beautiful flowers and presents and die-cut stars and cherries and little sweet peas. Look at the little peas for the baby card. And hearts and balloons and rattles, all of this great stuff. All these beautiful, colorful die cuts. Oh, and then you get your die cut greetings. Some are foiled. Okay, so you have beautiful sparkle. And then you get this instruction sheet that gives you ideas to make your cards, and then step-by-step instructions on how to put these together. Okay, really couldn't be easier. So I'm going to go ahead and assemble one of these so you can see just how easy it is. I'm going to take my box, put that there. Okay, so just following along with my instruction sheet, the first thing I get is my card base. And look at on the back of each card, it even has a little handmade by, and then you can sign your name. Isn't that cute? So the one thing that the kit that does not include, well, actually it doesn't include two things that you might want to bring from your stash if you take this with you somewhere, is actually the double-sided tape. So I'm just using our roll of extra sticky tape. And I mean, you could use glue, like the Cosmic Shimmer Specialist glue, to glue your little shaker pocket inside of your card. So you could do that as well. It's really any kind of adhesive is going to work. But if you're trying to keep the mess down, then definitely the extra sticky tape or any double-sided tape is going to work great. All right, so you've got this so that the card face is up. Okay, which is kind of counterintuitive. I thought maybe I'd have to put it on the inside, but no, you're going to put it with facing up. I'm going to just center it on this window and stick that down. All right, now I've got my cupcake card topper, and And I'm going to die cut, or punch out the die cut spaces, which aren't these cute? I mean, you could color them and then use that again. You could use pens and you'd have another card image. So I thought that was cute. All right, so this is, the topper is already self-adhesive. So you just have to peel the backing off. There we go. All right, and so what you're gonna do is you're gonna align this with your card front. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to shut my card like this. So that's the card front. I'm going to put this, I'd align it, I would say on the bottom and on one of the sides, just to make sure that it's lined up correctly, okay? And then just push that down. So look at that, I've already got my shaker card part done. Super simple. All right, now here is the die cut, sort of the frame of the cupcake. Once again, keep your little innie pieces because you could use those for another card. How about like that? How cute is that, right? Mix those. I want to keep those. And then this piece is also got adhesive backing on it. Peel that off. Oops. It's stuck. All right, and then I'm just going to make sure I am allowing the gold to show through. There we go. So it's sort of a double matted look. You've got the gold on the inside and the pink around the outside. Just make sure that all connects. All right, so then, whoops, got some balloon shapes right here. And the balloons could very easily go one over the other. And I'm not going to adhere these just for time's sake. I'm just going to put one right there and one right there. And oh, actually, before I do that, you know what? We're also including, we're just adding into these kits from hot off the press, 2 sheets of jewel border dazzle stickers, okay? Just to add a little more glitz and glamour to these cards. So I'm going to take one of my gold stickers and I'm going to put that at the top of the bottom. So before I add any of the fun little tchotchke stuff on there, I should do my borders. And I think this just adds another great sparkle layer. Okay, so do that first. Oops. And one more. Oops. Go. Okay. There, now we can do our balloons. So those can go right along the edge there. And then a sweet little greeting. And I want to put that there, but you know what? I want to add a little dimension to that. So I'm not going to remove the backing on my greeting. I'm going to take some little foam tape squares. Now the foam tape is not included in the kit, so you'd need to bring your own. So you just need some kind of adhesive tape or glue and some foam tape if you wanted that. And I'm going to put that even with the top edge. Little dimension. And I have my little star shape here. And I'm going to do the same with that. So there we go. All right. So a quick and easy shaker card, all done in just a matter of a few minutes, okay? So like I said, this is an incredibly portable kit to take with you, to take to a friend's house and do card making together. That's really fun. Now that is the Well Wishes card kit. So now I'm going to show you the Christmas card kit. Here's some really cute cards that Debbie made using the Christmas card kit, which I love. Did lots of layering here. And she added white jewel border dazzles along the edge. And on this one, great Christmas ornaments. And she used 2 different gold jewel border dazzles down the center. Again, lots, sides rather, lots of layering. Oh, and look at this great bow. It has dimension there. On this one, she took her border dazzles and put it down the center here of the ribbon and just put a little bit on the tag. Really, really cute. So let's take a look at what's in the Christmas box. This is for the Christmas shaker card bundle. Okay, so once again, you're getting your instruction sheet. Okay, the ideas and the instructions. Let's see what else is in here. Okay, you're getting your envelopes, 30 of those. 30 card bases that already have the greetings on the inside back. 30 sequin pouches. 30 self-adhesive card toppers. And let's take a look at all of these different patterns. I didn't do that on the other one. I should have. All right, look at all these different fun designs. I love that. And here's the trees. Nice gray. Oh, and the music notes, gorgeous. And a beautiful tapestry. So as you can see, lots of different choices. So your Christmas cards aren't going to end up all looking the same, which is, I think, really special. Oops, there's a couple of more of those shaker cards. Here's your bows. Remember the ones that were dimensional? Here's your Christmas tree frames. Here's some package and rectangle frames. Ornament frames. Greetings with gold foiling on some of them. And then your little packet of goodies. I love the goodie part, so we got to open that. My desk is just covered with all kinds of stuff here because these kits are just jam-packed. Look at all that. Look at the holly, the ornaments, the stars, the jingle bells, the presents. Lots to look at. Okay, so these kits are going to fly out of here. So if you're even considering buying one, I would click now. If you are interested in our Money Saver, it's on the right side of your screen. And if you're watching us on YouTube, be sure to check out the links in the description. There's a link to the Money Savers as well as a link to paperwishes.com so you can check out more goodies. Thanks for joining me today.